So behind me, you'll see a 2024 Mustang GT we just got in. Let's take a little closer look. So this is the first year of the S650 platform, previously called the S550, which ran from 2015 to 2023. Let's look at a few changes that are obvious. You're gonna see here the hood, the vent is new for this model. The headlights are new. Honestly, about the whole front clip. Of course, you get the pony in the middle. Now, our unit is equipped with the 19-inch wheels. They come from Ford and Continental tires. I think we all can appreciate those as well. If you come around in the back, there is an active valve exhaust. Essentially, you can change the exhaust note from quiet to loud. And a key giveaway on the new cars, you have the quad tip exhaust. That is only on the active valve exhaust system. Ordinarily, if it doesn't have that, you're gonna see just a single exhaust. Now the big change is the increased horsepower. It's got 30 more horsepower, it has 480. And let me show you how they get that horsepower. So aside from the styling cues, Ford was able to squeak out 30 more horsepower, bring it to 480. And the way they did that is, you're gonna see you have the dual throttle bodies as well as the dual air inlets, forcing more air into the motor. And when you accompany that with the active valve exhaust we spoke about earlier, that gives you 486 horsepower. So almost pushing that 500 mark, which I think we'll probably see in the next probably next year. Pretty impressive. So you'll see our unit here is a manual. Pretty sporty feel, pretty sporty drive. A lot of people like the 10-speed. I'm partial to a manual. I'm not the one buying the car, so obviously get what you like. If you notice inside, huge upgrades from the previous model. You have the dual screen. Now you can get an optional that has one big screen, but this has all the driving modes, all the track modes. Let me show you a couple as we're rolling through here. So right now we're in normal mode. You have your sport mode. You have your track mode, drag strip mode, where it gives you all the features where you can record times, and you know, all the fun stuff that us car people like. With modern cars, you want the modern technologies. You have, you know, the Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, which if I wanted to pair it, you go through the same features you would, you know, through any other car. Let me get into a couple of, you know, the full display, radio. Over here you still have your miles per gallon. So you have some cool stuff over here, so you're not just seeing the radio, so you have all your features over here as well. So big, nice screen, and it does have the 360 view, so as you're getting near something, it's gonna alert you, you know, if it's on your right, if it's on your left. So really good features, and these are all standard features on this one. So it's really cool. These are, you see here, if you're familiar with the SVT cover models, this is a replica of their gauges. So essentially now my gauges look like the 9901 Cobras. Pretty cool feature. And there's some you can actually download, and they're not on this model, but they have the Fox body gauges, other gauges as well. As you go up in trim level, you can have different features, different things on there.